Good morning, Keller Williams. Welcome back to the KW CommandMC 66-Day Challenge 2.0. Today is day 51, and we're going to talk about archiving and restoring a compliance request from the CommandMC side of things. Right, so you can see I've already found the request I want to interact with today using our searches and filters, right? We've talked about this in a previous video. And so the archive is pretty simple from here. There is this red outline button here. I'm going to click archive, and it's going to ask me, are you sure that you want to do this? We always have a confirmation because we know how easy it is to click by accident. So by confirming, we know for sure this is exactly what you want. So by default, our search does not include any archived requests. And so if you ever need to restore one for whatever reason, oops, I archived the incorrect one, you want to toggle on this include archive requests tab. So by doing that, right, you can see it's got, here's my opportunity I just archived. It's got this bright red archive tag on it. This is not a custom tag, this is a system tag here. And if I ever need to get it back here, all I'm going to do is click restore. By doing that, it should update. It'll show as an active again. If I turn off this button, it should still show up. And it's a pretty simple process to archive and unarchive. If you're ever looking for something that you think might have been archived in the past, my pro tip is make sure to select all of the compliance statuses, because you might not know what status it was just left in on the archive. So for example, if I deselected return and approved, I could have everything right, but I wouldn't be able to find this opportunity. The same thing if I re-archive it, right? If I turn this on, because there are compliance events like that, it won't appear. And so I always want to make sure to have my filters right, because it'll try and automatically update here. So just as a pro tip. All right, so that's it for today on how to archive and restore from the archive a single opportunity. There is no ability to do this in bulk. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about how to attach a one-off document or a placeholder on a compliance request that might not be part of your normal checklist. So thank you. Have a great day.